It's important to serve our community because we live here. We invite our families in, we invite friends in, and we're trying to recruit other folks to live here. So if we can make it a better place to be, I think that's number one. I'm AJ Hammond. I'm the VP of Chamber Services at the Morgantown Area Partnership. A lot of the chamber-related activities will fall under my watch. The networking events, business after hours, business before hours, ribbon cuttings, all those different things that businesses need from a kind of governmental, nonprofit sector. Our job is to improve business and the business climate here in Morgantown.
Well, AJ is a great hire. Really happy to have him on board. His experience at the bank, local community bank, knowing small business, knowing the community as well as he does. And of course, his volunteer work on the Main Street Morgantown organization was another great introduction to him to the community and community-based nonprofit work. Just his personality, his knowledge base of community, his commitment to community, and his commitment to business really make him a great addition to our team as we try to round out our services to the business community of Morgantown and Mont County.
The partnership is a great organization. It brings in the government, it brings in business, brings in all of our community events and all the different things that make Morgantown the great place that it is. So I was excited to be a part of the organization that helps improve our area and makes it a great place to live, work, and play.